Fomi is being promoted as an app where you can watch short TV dramas and supposedly earn money at the same time. But the real question is whether you can actually get paid or if it's just another watch and earn gimmick. The app itself is primarily a short-form drama platform, offering quick episodes designed for entertainment, not income. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. There are apps that reward users for watching content or ads, but they usually pay extremely small amounts and rely heavily on ad revenue rather than actual payouts. However, here's the key issue. There's no solid evidence that Fomi reliably pays users real money. In fact, apps in this category often use coin systems or rewards that are difficult or sometimes impossible to cash out, with earnings tied more to watching ad than real payouts. There are also clear warning signs when you look at user experiences. Many reviews mention excessive ads, with some users saying it's hard to even watch content without constant interruptions or glitches. From similar watch and earn apps, the pattern is consistent. It's slow cents, not dollar per hour. Reddit. Others point out that these apps often profit from ads while making payouts difficult or unrealistic to achieve. User experiences overall are mixed at best. Some people enjoy the drama content itself, but most complaints focus on ads, poor performance, and unclear or unreliable earning systems. It's also important to understand that real income opportunities don't usually come from simply watching videos. If it sounds too easy, it usually is. So, can you earn money with the Fomi app? It might offer small rewards in theory, but it's unlikely to provide real, consistent earnings. The bottom line is that Fomi is better seen as an entertainment app, not a reliable way to make money. So the earning claims are likely overhyped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.